If you're searching for the best books for preschoolers read aloud, you may be spending way more money than you need to. So I went back to the Dollar Tree and I found some preschool books that are actually amazing. And one of them might be the perfect beginner book for your child. But I also found some popular books that I would not recommend starting with for preschool. I will explain why before the end of this video. So let's go see what hidden gems are on those $1.50 shelves. The first books that actually caught my attention were these I Am character building books. Each book focuses on a different character trait, like being brave, being grateful, being kind, and so on. I love that because preschool read aloud time isn't just about reading, but it's about shaping their hearts. I love these books as great read alouds for preschoolers because they are small, meaning less intimidating. They are short stories. They have cute animal illustrations. And they have clear value lessons. And then finally, they have simple vocabulary. And if your little ones love superheroes, this next set of books might instantly grab their attention. These PJ Masks books are great read aloud for preschoolers for one simple reason: familiarity. Kids already recognize the characters, and the books have short sentences, mostly one sentence per page, and the sentences are written in bold print. The illustrations are bright and colorful, and when children already love the characters, they are more likely to sit still and listen. If your child loves Daniel Tiger, then you're going to love this next one. These Daniel Tiger books are perfect for emerging readers because they are short, they have engaging stories, the words are big and bold, and they have short sentences per page. One sentence or at most two short sentences. The characters are familiar and they have strong moral lessons. These can start out as read alouds, but slowly become books your child practices reading on their own. But wait till you see this interactive one. Please subscribe to this channel and become part of this amazing community. Subscribe if this video is adding value to your life. Please subscribe and like this video. Preschoolers love this kind of book. This one teaches positive character traits. But what makes it extra special is that it is a lift the flap book. This book is perfect as a preschool read aloud because of its hands-on engagement. It builds curiosity. It keeps short attention spans focused. And it has simple sentences. When preschoolers can flip the flap, they feel involved in the story and not just talked to. Okay, now let me show you my absolute favorite book that I found in the store. ABC Mouse. This book, Big Bug, Little Bug, was my favorite find because it is a rhyming book that teaches children rhymes. It has short, simple sentences that are written in large, bold prints. The book has fun and interesting storyline, and it works both as a read aloud and also as a beginner book. Rhyming books are powerful for preschoolers because it helps them hear patterns in words. And that is how early reading skills start. And this is why this book stands out from the rest. So now let's talk about the books that I would not recommend starting with for preschoolers. Books like this Charlie Brown and Arthur books. Now, these are great books, and most of us grew up with them. However, for most preschoolers, they may not be the best starting point. The reason why I would not recommend you starting preschoolers with these books is because these books have multiple sentences per page. They have smaller print, longer paragraphs, longer storylines, and require longer attention span. You might lose your preschoolers halfway through, not because they don't like reading, but because it is not developmentally the right level yet. I think these books are more suited for early elementary students who can follow longer stories. Dollar Tree actually has some amazing and affordable preschool read aloud books. We just have to know what to look for. Some of the things to look out for when choosing the perfect preschool read aloud books for your child are short sentences, large, bold prints, short paragraphs, short storylines, repetition or rhymes, and also familiar characters. I hope this video has helped you to know how to choose the perfect book for your preschooler. I want you to remember that we're not just homeschooling, but we are raising warriors for Christ. And if this video has helped you in any way, please like it, press the like button, and please subscribe. And also, I want you to comment what your favorite preschool read aloud book is. Thank you for watching this video so far. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.